Harpoon Therapeutics presented updated interim data from its Phase 1 clinical trial of single-agent HPN 217 in relapsed, refractory multiple myeloma, RRMM. HPN 217 targets B-cell maturation antigen, BCMA, and is based on Harpoon proprietary trispecific T-cell activating construct, TRI-TAC, which demonstrated a tolerable safety profile in heavily pre-treated patients with RRMM. A majority of responders had decreases in the serum BCMA biomarker, SBCMA, a marker correlated with disease prognosis, by week 2 of treatment. Additionally, 86%, 18/21, of responders remain on study treatment with sustained response, with many responders on treatment for over a year. 3 patients in the study were evaluated for minimal residual disease, MRD, and all 3 were MRD negative.